Good morning guys, in front of me is Apple iPad Pro 11 from 2025, and let me show you how to reset all contents and settings. So at first let's enroll settings, then find and select General, scroll all the way down and mark Transfer or Reset. Here you will now erase all content and settings, just mark it, and now click on Continue. Tap on Erase iPad if you truly want to do it. Enter your PIN code and wait till it's done. And that's it. Now just confirm your password. So let me do it off the screen. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.